Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing really well. So today I'm going to be just doing a new in beauty haul. So this is some things that I have gotten just over the past month or so. These products are so gorgeous. Some of them I've tried already and I'm loving, and some I've still got to try out. So I've got new bits from KIKO, Gale, Dalla, Palma, Tilbury. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, now let's start off with KIKO. So I have a few things here from them, and the first thing is this bronzer. So this is their new Summer 2.0 collection, and this is called Gold Waves, and this is their bronzer in the shade Sienna, I think it's called. Is it Sienna Reflection it's called. This is what the packaging looks like. How pretty is that? So gorgeous. And inside it looks like that. So there's 3 bronzers in this new collection, and 2 of them are like baked bronzers with a little bit of shimmer, I believe, in them, whereas this one is like all matte, and I'm really loving this. Like, the powder looks so flawless on the skin. It makes you look really bronzed and really tan, and it just looks gorgeous. And we get this lovely little mirror up the top here as well, and I just absolutely love this. I think it's gorgeous. So this is number 3, Sienna Reflection. Next thing I have from that collection is their highlighter, and this is in the shade number 1, Golden Vibes. Now I think there's 2 of these highlighters, 2 different shades, and this is number 1, Golden Vibes. Again, that's what the packaging looks like there. Stunning. And this is what it looks like inside. And again, this highlighter is absolutely gorgeous. It looks so good on the skin. You know, it's the perfect shade for my skin tone. It's like that perfect gold shade. It's not too goldy though. I hate like a really gold highlight. This one just looks so natural on the skin. Like, it's still a really blinding highlight, but the actual shade of it's very natural, so it really meshes well with my skin tone. I'll try and swatch it there for you. Like, it is so gorgeous. Like, hopefully you guys can see that. It's like a champagne gold, you know, it's not too goldeny. So yeah, I just love this highlighter. It's gorgeous. As I said, it looks so good on the skin, and it doesn't really emphasize much texture, so that is just like a total win for me. And yeah, just absolutely love this. Okay, so the next 2 things I have are from L'Oreal, and we have their new Cannes 2018 lipsticks. So these are so gorgeous looking. They're in this marble packaging, like a red marble packaging, and has this gorgeous little kind of fern thing down the bottom here. And we have the shades Beige Nude, which is this gorgeous kind of nudie mauve shade, and then we have the shade Red Carpet. So the perfect shades you need in a collection, like the perfect nude shade and the perfect kind of classic red shade. And I don't know if you guys can see there, I'll do a little close up, but in the actual lipstick it's engraved with Cannes. So I absolutely love these lipsticks. The formula of these are gorgeous. They're super creamy and very moisturising on the lips, and they have like a kind of creamy satiny finish to them, so they make your lips look nice and kind of juicy and kind of youthful looking. And yeah, I just love these. They have that very kind of unique L'Oreal smell to them as well, which I love. And yeah, I just love these. I do have a lip swatch video of these, swatching these, sorry, which should be up on my channel before this video, but if not, then I will link it in the description box once it is, and if it is up, then I will just link it up here just now for you. Okay, the next new launch from L'Oreal is their Cheri My Cheri palettes. So this is a 16 shade eyeshadow palette, and inside you get a bunch of kind of warm rich shades, but they're all kind of like on a neutral, not neutral, but they're kind of like everyday wearable shades, you know what I mean. So yeah, that's what it looks like inside, and I have tried this palette already and I have quite mixed feelings on it. Like, the first time I tried this, some of the shades just weren't the best, if you know what I mean. Some of the shimmer shades were quite, they're just not really shimmery, they're quite subtle basically. And then I tried this just the other day there again, and I actually really like it, especially for the matte shades. So even though I said the shimmer shades aren't very shimmery, they still apply to the eyes really nicely, and they give you a really nice look, if you know what I mean. They just haven't got that kind of sparkle or that shimmeriness to them. But the satin shades quite a few of the satin shades are really nice, and again, like I said, the mattes are gorgeous too. Okay, so Gale has sent over more of her products to me, and the first things we have here are her Nude Kisses. These are lip glosses. So I have 3 here, and I will just show you these. So this is what they look like here, and as you can see, they're all in the kind of nude-ish kind of pink family, which I love. Like, I don't mind, I just love loads of nudes anyway. So I have one cream finish here, I believe it's the cream finish, and the other 2 like are like have little bits of shimmer in them, if you know what I mean. So they're all kind of lip glosses, but there's like just a full on cream finish, and then there's 2 kind of sparkly gloss finishes. So what I'll do is I'll show you these each shade. So I have the shade Smooch, and I have the shade Blushing, and then the next shade I have is Get Cheeky. So now I've just swatched these on my hand just now because I am going to be doing a lip swatch video on these because I love Gale. I love her lip products, so I would really love to do a little lip swatch of these. So keep an eye out for that video coming up really soon. Like, I'm super excited about these. You know me, I love glossies, I love creamy finishes, I just love anything that has a kind of shine to it. So yeah, next thing is our Montauk Escape Face Palette, which looks like that. I really love the packaging of this, it's really pretty, very summery. This is what the palette looks like here, and at the back here we get the shade names, which I love. That's what the shades look like inside there. So we have a bronzer, and then we have like this corally blush shade, which is it in a matte shade or is it shimmer? Like when I swatch it, it looks quite matte, but to look at it in the palette, it looks as if it has little gold flexes in it there. And then we get these 4 eyeshadows in the middle here, which are kind of plum shades, a kind of bronzy shade, oh sorry, that's like just a kind of matte brownie shade, and then we get this kind of gold, and then we get this gold shade up the top here. So I'm very excited about this palette. Like I said, I love Gale. I think her products are great. I'll swatch a few of these eyeshadows on the back of my hand here because I'm looking forward to seeing how this palette actually wears. Like, that's a really gorgeous plum shade. Then we have this kind of really dark, kind of plummy blackberry shade there. Then we have the matte brown shade, which is just right down here. Looks gorgeous for a nice transition shade, or even just wearing it on its own, just in the crease. And oh my god, this gold shade looks so pigmented. Wow, that's pigmented. So that's the gold shade, just right there, if you can see that there. Like, that picked up really beautifully on the finger. You know, it was very pigmented, like, I don't know if you can see that, like there. So that's going to apply really lovely to the eyelids. You could even use your finger with that shade. Let me know if you'd like to see a tutorial using this palette. Now I have this Eyes to Mesmerise, what's this, a long lasting eye colour. So it's like an eyeshadow from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's in the shade, what's the shade of this? Star Gold. Now this is what it looks like. I love the packaging of this. I think Charlotte Tilbury products are so gorgeous looking. They're very luxe looking, and yeah, I love this little shadow. So we have it in the shade Star Gold, like I said, and that's what it looks like inside. So I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand for you. This is a gorgeous kind of creamy eyeshadow, so you just basically apply this to your eyelid and just blend it a little bit with your finger, or you could use a nice kind of soft brush just to make sure the edges are nice and blended. Okay, so that's what the shade looks like, just right there, if you can see that. Looks like a really gorgeous kind of all over the lid shade. A great shade for this kind of summertime. It's nice and kind of bronzy looking. So yeah, very excited to try that out on my eyes. Okay, so next thing I have is this contouring palette from Dalla Palma. This is what it looks like here. It's in a gorgeous kind of classic black packaging. That's what it looks like inside. As you can see, we get these 5 shades in here. So we've got 2 contouring shades up the top there, which have more of a kind of ashy undertone, so we look more kind of ashy there. We have this kind of peachy blush shade, I think, down here. Yes, it's called the Sweet Peach blusher. Then we have a banana powder, which is just right here, so that'd be great for kind of like setting my under eye area. And then also we have this highlighter down the bottom here, which is called Moonlight. So very excited about this palette. I love contouring palettes. Like, I just love contouring and bronzing my cheeks. It's my favourite step of doing my makeup. I love it. I love how it can really kind of slim down the face, and it can just really bring like life back to your cheeks and give you all this kind of dimension and things like that. Very excited about this. Okay guys, so that's it for this haul. I really hope you liked seeing some of this new makeup. I will leave everything down below in the description box for you if you're interested in any of the products. And what I want to mention, guys, is please come and follow me over on Instagram. Like, I'll leave the handle just right here on the screen for you, because like, it's so hard to actually grow Instagram these days. Like, there's so many people on Instagram. Like, everyone is just basically out for themselves, and it like obviously I'm basically looking for followers as well. But if you guys follow me here on YouTube, then I would love you to follow me over on Instagram. Like, I'm sure you guys have got Instagram as well, or you have Twitter. I will leave my Twitter handle in the description box for you as well. But yeah, come and follow me over there, because I would love to have you there. Let me know in the comment section if you're already to follow me over there, so I can put like a little face to your name sort of thing here on YouTube. Like, I can go and snoop your Instagram page. But yeah, let me know if you're already following me down in the comment section. That would be amazing. And again, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, then please do as well, and give a video a big thumbs up, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!